Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. Today I have brought one more important and interesting lesson. Let us learn here. Root words. Root words part 3. Root words part 3. What are root words? There are some root words that cannot stand alone. They need something joined to them to make a whole word in English. Let us learn here. Number 1, astro. Astro is a word here. It cannot stand independently. So astro plus nomy. You can notice here N-O-M-Y. Astronomy. So astro plus nomy, the new word astronomy. Astronaut. Examples are there. So here astronomy. What is astronomy? Astronomy is the study of the sun, moon, stars, planet, etc. So astronomy. So astro is, astro plus nomy. So it is astronomy. We have next one, odd. What is the meaning of odd? Odd means here. Odd means here. So odd means here. So here we have some words. Okay. Audience, audible, audio. Okay, so here audience is a combination of odd plus I-E-N-C-E. You can notice here. So odd, I-E-N-C-E, audience. So odd is odd plus I-E-N-C-E, audience. So here what is audience? Audience means the assembled spectators or listeners. Audience. For example, he wrote his speech for his audience. He wrote his speech for his audience. So here odd plus I-E-N-C-E, audience. Odd cannot stand alone. Next one, Benny. So what is the meaning of Benny? Benny means good. Words here. What are the words for with the combination of Benny and other letters? Beneficial, benevolent. Beneficial. So what is the meaning of beneficial? Beneficial means advantages. Beneficial means advantages. Example, regular exercise is beneficial for health. Regular exercise is 100% beneficial for health. Next one, cred, C-R-E-D. Cred means believe. So here, cred cannot stand alone. We cannot make by using C-R-E-D, cred. Cred plus I-B-L-E, credible. So you can notice here, I-B-L-E, cred, I-B-L-E, credible, incredible. So what is the meaning of incredible? Incredible is unbelievable, unthinkable, unbelievable. Incredible means unbelievable. Example, the plot of this story is incredible. The plot of this story is incredible. Okay, next one, next word here, we have deca. What is the meaning of deca? Deca means 10. Deca means 10. So deca cannot stand alone. We cannot make use of deca alone. So we need some more letters or something joined to it. So here deca means 10. Deca, D-E-C-A-D-E, decade. So what is the meaning of decade? Decade or decalogue. So here decade. What is the meaning of decade? A period of 10 years. A period of 10 years. Example, this decade began badly for us. This decade began badly for us because of coronavirus. Because of coronavirus. This decade began badly for us. Next one, multi. We cannot use only, multi. Word multi we cannot use. Multi plus lingual, multilingual, multi plus talented, multi-talented, multi-talented, multiple. These are the few words we can make by using multi. Multi plus lingual, multilingual. So here, what is the meaning of multilingual? Multilingual means using several languages. Example, India is a multilingual country. Many, languages are spoken in India. India is a multilingual country. Next one, tele. What is the meaning of tele? Tele means far. Tele means far. So tele plus P-H-O-N-E, telephone. So we cannot use tele alone. We need something it needs something to be attached. So tele plus phone, telephone, telegraph, these are the few words. Example of telephone. What is the meaning of telephone? A telecommunications device. A telecommunications device. So here example, she spends hours and hours on the telephone. One more, last one is war. War means to eat greedily. War means to eat greedily. Examples are herbivore, omnivore, carnivore. These are the examples of war. So war cannot stand alone. War, H-E-R-B-I, herbi plus war, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Example, herbivore. What is the meaning of herbivore? An animal that eats only plants. Okay, an animal that eats only plant is known as herbivore. Okay, example is here, cows and sheep are herbivores. Horses are herbivores. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day. Enjoy learning.